my day of healing. I scarcely know where to begin, for my heart is overwhelmed. Today, something beyond words happened to me. I feel as though the weight of 12 long, painful years has finally been lifted. For so long I have been an outcast, burdened by this affliction, this issue of blood that no physician could heal. I spent everything I had, yet no doctor could heal me. The loneliness, the shame, the whispers behind my back, I carried them all, heavy as a stone. But today was different. This morning, as I prepared to go out, a verse whispered in my heart. But unto you that fear my name shall the Son of Righteousness arise with healing in his wings. Malachi 4:2. Could it be? Could this Jesus, the one they say heals the sick and raises the dead, be the fulfillment of this promise? I could not shake the thought. I heard he was passing through. The crowd was dense, pressing in on every side. I knew I should not be there, unclean as I was. But something deep within urged me forward. I thought, if I could just touch the hem of his garment, perhaps there is healing in his wings, even for me. I pushed through the throng, each step a prayer. Finally, I saw him, his presence radiating peace. With trembling hands, I reached out. Just the hem. That was all I needed. As my fingers brushed the fringe of his garment, I felt it, a surge of warmth, a rush of healing coursing through my body. The bleeding stopped. 12 years of suffering ended in a moment. Before I could slip away, he turned and asked, "Who touched me?" My heart pounded as I fell at his feet, confessing everything. Would he rebuke me? But no. His eyes, full of compassion, met mine. He said, "Daughter, your faith has made you well. Go in peace and be healed of your affliction." Daughter. He called me daughter, not outcast, not unclean, daughter. As I sit here tonight, I can hardly contain the joy. Malachi's words were true. The Son of Righteousness has indeed risen, and I, who feared his name, have found healing in his wings. I am whole. Let this be a testimony for all who feel forgotten and broken. He sees us, he heals us, he calls us his own. With a heart full of gratitude, a woman restored.